In this video, I will show you how to remove domain redirect from one domain to other in Namecheap account. So let's get started with the video. Once logged into Namecheap account, we need to click the Dashboard tab, which will take us to this page. The domain name can be found in the right-hand side of the screen. If you don't see the domain here, click this domain list to see all your domain in Namecheap account. Next, we will need to click the Manage button, which will get us to this page. In this page, we need to scroll down to Redirect Domain section. And here, you can see cosmocarat.com domain is redirected to citriweb.com. To remove the domain redirect, click this delete icon corresponding to the domain name. And done, the domain redirects has been removed permanently in Namecheap account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like and comment if the video was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates when I add more content.